Okay, so good morning, everyone. So today, we will be having our learning management system for our learners. So this will be a training on how to log in your Edu accounts and how to uh, use the Google Classroom. Okay, so these are our topics for today. So how to log in your Edu account. So your Edu accounts, your advisors will give you your own Edu account. That is a personalized Edu account. So I will discuss this one on the process on how to log in your Edu account. And we will be exploring the Google Classroom, specifically on how to join the Google Classroom, how to communicate with your teacher using the Google Classroom, how to interact in the Google Classroom, and how to pass your outputs in the Google Classroom. So this will be our main topic for today. So good morning, everyone. So I will be discussing you po regarding on how to log in your Ed accounts. This is a demonstration video. Okay. So as you can see po, nasa Google Chrome ako. Okay. So paano ko ilalog in yung Edu account ko? So please make sure po na sa laptop nyo meron kayong Google Chrome at sa cellphone nyo po meron kayong Google Chrome. Okay. As you can see po at the right side, meron akong picture dito. This is my personal email. Now, yan po yung nakalog in sa Google Chrome ko na account ko. So, paano ko ilalog in yung Edu account? You click that picture. If wala pong picture, letter po yung nagpapakita dito. Letter. Kung ano po yung nakalog in na account ninyo. I-click that one and then please click po add another account. Okay. So, meron pong binigay yung class advisor sa inyo na email address. So, input your email address here. And then after, you click next. And then, you now input your default password. Your default password po, binigay po ng class advisor ninyo yan. Okay, input your password. Then click next. Meron pong magpapakita sa inyo after na-click niyo po yung next na ganito. So click accept. And then you can now change po your password. You can personalize po your password. So dependent po sa inyo kung ano yung ilalagay niyo na password. So please make sure po na i-save niyo yung password ninyo or isusulat niyo sa notebook ninyo yung password ninyo. So I repeat po, isulat sa notebook yung email address and yung password ninyo. Okay? And then click change password. Okay? So you can click OK, you can click no thanks. Okay? So nakalog in na po yung Google account ninyo. So you just click po, this is now your Edu account. So I will be teaching you na po and you will be learning on how to join a Google Classroom. Okay. Make sure po na yung nakalog in po sa inyo is yung Edu account ninyo. Okay. To check po, titignan nyo po dito, i-click nyo po yung letter P dito or any letter po na nandito if that is your Edu account. So you just click it. Kung nagpakita po, eto, Paul, Acuna at Ikabatak. So yan po yung nakalagin. So tama po yung nakalagin po. Okay, yan po yung gagamitin natin to join in the Google Classroom. Okay. So, paano mag-join sa Google Classroom? So, on the web browser po, please search po classroom.google.com. Okay. So, please wait. Continue, click continue. So, pick your role. So, you are a student. So, click I am a student. Okay. Now, how to join in a Google Classroom? So, click the plus sign and click the join class. Okay. Join class. So, meron pong binigay yung subject teacher ninyo na class code. So this, for example, this is the class code of my classroom. Okay, and then click join. So wait. So meron na pong magpapakita sa inyo na Google Classroom. Okay, let us explore now our Google Classroom. Okay, in stream po, dito nyo po makikita yung mga announcement ng subject teachers. And then, in classwork, dito nyo po makikita yung mga activities ng estudyante. Okay, so that is your week 1. So that is our now, nakapost na po yung learning plan activity for week 1. And for example, tapos na yung discussion for week 1, nakapost na rin yung recorded discussion. Okay. And then, you can see naman po yung teacher nyo dito. Okay. And your classmates, kung sino yung naka-join dito. Okay. So let us explore our Google Classroom. Okay. For example, this is now your 8 o'clock to 8:30 class, checking of attendance and prayer. So good morning, class. For your prayer, watch the embedded link, and for your attendance, comment your name, then present. For example, James Asuncion -present. Okay, so just comment here, add a class comment. So let's proceed now on click add to class comment, and then you comment now your attendance. So my name is Paul Acuna -present. So click this one for your attendance. So mapopost na po yung attendance ninyo. Now let's explore more. Okay, so let us explore more our Google Classroom. So click the classwork. Click the learning plan. So for example na po, nakapost na po yung learning plan natin. Nakapost na din po yung activity natin. And then, we assume na po tapos na po yung synchronous discussion. So yung teacher po na i-post na rin po yung recorded discussion niya dito. Okay. So let's click po the learning plan. View the material. So click this document. Okay. Meron po magpapakita na ganito. You can take some screenshots na po if mabagal po yung internet connection ninyo. Okay? So if pwede naman po kayong i-download po yung learning plan. So you can open with Google Documents. So please wait. Okay. So paano po mag-download yung yung learning plan is you click that document, open with the Google Docs, and then we're waiting for the files to load. Okay. For example, ganito yung internet connection nyo is slow. So, you can just take some screenshot or take screenshot po sa file na nasend ng teacher. Para ma-view nyo lang po yung anong page yung babasahin and anong page yung sasagutin ng bata. Okay. So this is now our learning plan for week 1. So, Mr. James Pulacunya, the teacher, the class time is 8 to 12 every Wednesday. Okay. How to download now our learning plan. Okay. Mag-load pa lang po yung document. So, let's wait po na mag-load yung document. Okay. So I repeat, if you have a slow internet connection, you just click the file na lang po and then take some screenshots na lang. Okay. So how to download now the document? Click the file and then click download and then click Microsoft Word. Then may download na lang po yung file. Okay. So let's proceed to the other parts. So for example, tapos na natin yung learning plan on how to download the learning plan. So ganito lang po ha, kung slow yung connection nyo po, you just click the file and then take a screenshot of this one. So that's okay. No need to download the whole file. Basta meron po kayong copy ng learning plan. Okay. Let's proceed to how to pass your activity. Okay. So activity, so view the assignment, and then how to submit your work. So if you take photos, so for example, add. Okay, and then click file. Then you wait until it matatapos mag-load. Okay. So you can browse your files po kung saan nyo pong sinend. Ganito din po sa cellphone. Same process lang po sa cellphone. So click the browse. And then it will directly go to the folders. So for example, nasaan yung file na i-upload ninyo. For example po, nasa screenshot. So ito for example, ito yung mga output ninyo. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just click them all. And then open. Click open. Bakit? Okay, so you click open. Wala yung file. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click open. So nag-upload na po yung mga activities nyo. Okay. So just wait po na mag-upload yung mga activities ninyo. You can also upload a Word file, a PowerPoint presentation, a video file, a pangalan nun, so Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, a video, and a screenshots of your team. And then, after po nagpakita na ganito, so it means po, naka-upload na po kayo, and then click, do not forget po to click the turn in. So magta-turn in na po yung activity ninyo. Okay? And then, for example, sir, paano kung kulang yung in-upload ko na document? Kulang po yung na-upload ko na picture? kulang po yung na-upload ko na PowerPoint presentation. You can still unsubmit it. Okay, unsubmit. And then, you can add again. Same process, you add file. So, ganun po. So, sir, paano kung document na yung ano ko? Okay. So, punta tayo sa documents. So, for example, make a accomplishment report. Okay, so you open that one and then you wait until ma-upload yung document file ninyo. Okay, same yung process niya with sa pictures. Okay. You just wait lang po na ma-upload. So, kompleto na. Then you can now turn it in. So, turn in. So you can now turn in your activities. Same process po sa cellphone. You add or create and then punta po kayo sa files ninyo. Okay, kung saan nyo po sinave yung picture. So kung picture, punta kayo sa photos. And then so on and so on. Okay? So that will be how to pass your activity. So let's proceed to the next part. Or you can add a class comment. I'm done turning in my activity. Sir, I am done turning in my activity. So that will be, okay lang naman na mag-comment ka dyan. Okay? And then, so let's go back to the class. So this is your classwork. So once na hindi na po nagkulay yung activity area, yung may activity na term, it means po na submit nyo na yung activity ninyo. Okay, for example, this is now your recorded discussion. Okay, so sabi dito, to those students who did not join the synchronous discussion, so after watching, so you view now, you click this one, you click this video, and then maglo-load siya. It will directly po na mag-play yung video. Okay, so just wait po, meron na lang magpapakita na video dyan. Okay, so let's wait po. So, may magpapakita na lang po na recorded discussion dyan. Okay. So, after watching that daw, sabi dito, you comment done watching. Okay. So magpapakita na lang ganyan. Okay. You play na lang po yung video discussion ng teacher. Okay. So the recorded discussion, it will be posted in our LMS in the afternoon or a day after. It depends po kasi kung malakas yung internet connection, so we can post it po within the day. Pero kung medyo mahina yung connection, please give us 1 day po na ipopost yung recorded discussion. Okay, so naglo-load pa rin siya. Okay, so that one, if you're done watching that video, you comment done watching. Okay, so that the teacher will check if you really watch the video for your attendance, especially those students who did not join the synchronous discussion. So you click this one so that mapopost and so that your subject teacher can view if you're done watching it. So ganito po, you just click that one. Okay? So magpe-play na siya. So you just wait po na magpe-play. You just click this play button. Okay? So now, so that is our Google Classroom. So how to interact with your teacher? You just comment here, class comments. Okay? Mako-comment lang kayo dito if you have ano. And then, if you want a, for example, nag-gradean na po yung activity ninyo, mababa yung grade nyo. For example, 10 out of 20. You can comment here, private comment, and then yung makikita lang po, yung makakakita lang po is yung teacher at ikaw kung private comment po. Okay? So, ganun po tayo sa Google Classroom. So, if you have questions, you may ask your teachers po on questions, specifically on how to upload. So, na-discuss ko na po on how to upload files in Google Classroom.